Welcome back. We shall now demonstrate the use of a bench-mounted drilling machine. Preparation begins with the installation of the drill, which will be fitted to either a chuck, as with straight shank drills, or into a Morse taper, as with tapered shank drills. First, ensure that the shank is not damaged or burred, as shown on the lower right. Insert the drill and tighten the chuck securely with the key. Ensure that the chuck jaws only contact the shank and not the fluted portion. Approximately 1/3 of the shank length should be visible after installation. Check that the drill runs true by running the machine. If a drill does not run true, then it should be replaced with a new drill, or one that is not scored or bent. A taper shank drill is fitted directly into the spindle sleeve. Insert it into the spindle and give it a twist to locate the flat tang into the slot at the top of the spindle. Using a piece of timber, press the drill tightly into its taper by pulling down on the operating lever. Start the machine to ensure that the drill runs true. The workpiece is next set up into the machine vise. A piece of flat timber may be used to act as a bed beneath the workpiece. To ensure that the hole will be straight, the level of the workpiece must be checked. A spirit level may be used, or an engineer's square compared to the drill. Lightly tap the workpiece with soft metal to obtain a perfectly level surface or squareness to the drill. Firm up the work in the vise and raise the work to within a few millimeters below the drill point. Position the work table such that when the drill is brought down onto the work, it will make contact with the center punch mark of the hole position. You may have to maneuver the table and the vise to accommodate this. Lock up all clamps or levers once the tip is aligned. It is suggested that you now get in a little practice by setting up your workpiece in a machine vise before we continue with the drilling demonstration.